This is not good at all. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. It is currently, oh, it's not too early. It is 7:45 in the morning. Last night I was up till way too late detailing this thing. I polished it, I waxed it. I've been meaning to wax it for such a long time, so I guess I figured I kind of was like, all right, I'll use this as an excuse to go ahead and just pull through and get her done. Hey, look who it is. That thing right there is just, used to be nice, a little crappy now. Sorry, Jared. Little code start. Ah, yeah. Shut her down. Alright. We're late, but gotta get the food vlog. See, every time I complain about not having anything for a show, this time look at this. We're prepared. We got drinks. Look at that. We got more drinks. We got some real nice drinks down there. Don't you guys worry about that. Right. We got some snacks. Got a real nice lower truck. And we're super late. Like yeah. So we'll kind of see. I'm supposed to be there by 10, and if I don't make it, I don't know what happened. It's a toasty one, but at least we'll have shade. We'll have refreshments.
Man, it will not be as bad as Buffalo.
Buffalo was.
That may have been the worst I experienced.
Yeah, that was brutal. Oh, you're right. Damn.
I'm not special, girl, because I know too many.
Oh, hey now. Actually, this man has some halos we got installed on mine. I like that. Yo, you all about this? Dude, this is it. This is my next car. I'm selling my 240. Yeah, man. How you doing? Adam. Hey, nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah, I watch your YouTube, man.
Oh, that's awesome, man. I appreciate it. Right-hand drive. No, they pushed it. Hopes and dreams. Yeah, for the vlog. Look at that.
Yeah, that's.
Woo!
They got the
Nissan class.
Oh boy.
I'm looking for Acasio. You see that right? You got the 240? What is that? At second place, Kyle McGuckin. First place.
Hopefully everyone's okay, man. So this is basically what comes in your kit. As I said, microfiber, 2 little things of clay. Some people are gonna get butt hurt and say, oh, you should have used 2 on 1 car, but you know what? No, it's fine. I'm gonna use 1. So it's not a big deal that the car is wet. It's actually okay, and we'll just go ahead and add the quick detailer to like the whole mix and just, you know, just start going to town. All right, so we're gonna grab our little brick of gold here and just go ahead and just kind of lather up the clay. And your hand, you know, it's all good. Get some on our car here. We're just here to take off all of the nastiness. And you'll be able to feel it, you'll be able to hear it. This is the real deal. Alright guys, so 1 panel is done. It feels way smoother. So this is way nicer, not nearly as gritty, if at all. You guys hear that? I mean, you know, So let's just keep on going. Alright, check this out again. Another representation. Treated with the clay bar. Not treated. Crazy, right? No sound. Sandpaper. Alright guys, so we are just about ready to get started with our first panel here. I'm actually going to use some of this stuff I bought a while back. We're going to start basically with number 2 and end with number 3. Essentially, this will kind of help get us some of the swirls and kind of scratches out of our paint. And after that's done, we can go ahead and apply this, which is the number 3 Maguire's compound, which is the machine glaze. Went ahead and cleaned up my pad. This is a Lake Country pad. I'll kind of have everything that I'm using in the description, guys, so feel free to check it out. This is also a Chicago, like Harbor Freight special, just different backing plate. Awesome. And then we have our nice clean microfiber in here. Okay, well, looks like the video is gonna come to a halt today because it looks like I'm going on the lake. So we'll be back tomorrow. I got it on like half speed right now. I mean, first glance, it all looks good. I definitely took away a lot like the bigger stains and such. There's a bunch of like random stuff in the clear coat, so I do think this thing has been repainted. But I mean, we definitely helped out a whole hell of a lot. Alright, well, believe it or not, this whole side of the car is compounded, whatever you want to call it, with 2 types of, you know, I don't even know what I'm talking about here, I'm just doing it. 2 of those cutting compounds, and then we finished with the ultimate polish over here. This little guy right there. And then we just did a little hand application wax right there, you know, bit of Brazilian wax, and you honestly would not even be able to tell a difference on camera, which kind of sucks. I also went ahead and cleaned that puppy up. Gotta give her a nice wax or something also, keep her nice. We are gonna be messing with the Kooky a little bit more, at least for now. That's the plan. We are gonna have a couple little button-up things to do. We got some fluids. I gotta wait till tomorrow for this little AN fitting. It's like a cap that's going in the oil pan. I completely forgot about it until I got under the car and did the oil head drain. And I noticed, hey, we got an extra fitting here. So cap will be here tomorrow. I have some coolant, so maybe we can go ahead and fill this thing with some water. You know, just kind of keep on continuing to button things up, man. So let's just get started. Oh, this way. Car's over here. Alright, so if you guys remember from the last video, I was talking about this little coolant line for the turbo, the return line. I was going to feed it back into one of the lines that go underneath the intake manifold. The only problem is with the 4AN line, it's about a 1/4 inch hole, and those are about 3/8. So huge difference. I wasn't really able to make that work, so temporarily, as of right now, guys, basically what I did is that showing up, I kind of just used one of the ports on the fill neck and put a little fitting in, and then basically routed that return line from the turbo back into here. So that should work. It'll work. It's, I guess, not the most ideal. It's not that bad. I don't even know if it really shows up on camera that well because it's so bright. And like as I work on this car, I'm just squinting because like the reflection of the sun is hitting everything because there's so much polished stuff in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this thing up with some water. Wow, talk about precision. After I used about half of the water, like half of the gallon, I just go ahead and mix a bit of the concentrate in, therefore it's kind of already pre-mixed, and back to it, you know. Alright guys, so filling it with coolant, and we look under here, we have a wet spot. We have a leak, which appears to be coming from, I don't know if I'll be able to get you guys in here with the DSLR. Oh yes, I can. See that right there, right in the center of the screen? So I have a little bolt. Oh yeah. So water pump is leaking. I did not assemble, I did not put the water pump on, just for clarification. I'm assuming the engine builder did, but this is not good at all. Man, this is really not ideal, dude. Now, the only way around it is to take the pump off and I guess reseal it, or, you know, double check that it's the correct one. And doing that entails a lot of other things to get to that pump, man. We gotta take the radiator out first of all, which is a whole lot easier said than done. Then have to undo the crank pulley, take the crank pulley off, which is torqued to like 340 foot-pounds. I had to do that. I bought a tool for that, and dude, oh my god, the whole front of this motor has to come off. Dude, why? Why, dude? But I mean, it is what it is. What are you gonna do? You know, this is, you can't kind of look at it. You kind of have to start taking stuff apart and just get into it, man. So hopefully I won't have to take off the timing belt. I might have to be quite honest, though. I might have to. So in the next video, hopefully we can fix the issue. It sucks that we got to do it, but we got to do it, man. There's no choice. So it's the way it goes. Thank you guys so much for watching. A few days kind of mashed up into one. We got some car show randomness and stuff like that. But thank you again. Shout out to anyone who's been like loyally watching the channel and the content. You guys are awesome. It means a lot. You know, you guys are the reason why I'm still able to make content. And yeah, continue to do what I love doing. Let me know what you guys think about the build so far. And we'll get to turning the key and firing this thing up very, very soon. Just give me a couple days to get this thing sorted up and hopefully sealed up and no more leaks. We got to make sure we have the right water pump, because I guess if it depends if it's like an N1 pump or not, but it's an RB30 block, so I forget which one we need. But I'm sure you guys in the comments will let me know. So thanks again, guys. I'll see you. Take it easy. Have a good night. Peace.